Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Okay, we'll make some dahi vadas today. So let's see what all the ingredients we need to make dahi vada. In month of Ramadan, we make almost every other day dahi vadas. And if you have the party in the Ramadan iftar party, we definitely make this. We have urad dal. This is the urad dal. It's black gram dal. It looks like this before I soaked it. So 1 cup. So this is the cup, the same measurement is puffed up. So once you soak it, it's gonna get the double the quantity. And then this is the moong dal, and I have a half a cup. And I soaked that one, and that one also become like all the double the quantity of that one. So I already soaked it like 4 hours each dal. So now we're gonna see rest of the ingredients what we needed. We have some salt, some ginger pieces, and some green pepper chopped, and some cilantro. Okay, we are gonna grind one dal at a time. Let me grind first black gram dal, mash ki dal, urad ki dal, whatever you call, because there's a different names. And this moong dal is a moong dal. Everybody says moong dal. So split moong dal. It's not with the skin. So let's go ahead and start grinding all these things, and I'll get back to you. Okay friends, I grinded both of the dals. This is the urad dal, and I forgot to tell you, do not put too much water in there, maybe 1 or 2 spoons, but you might have to open the blender a couple of times to push it down all the grains with the spatula. And now this is done, and also moong dal also done, because I grinded both of them separately, because the both grains have the different structure, and that's why I grinded. But now I'm gonna mix both of them together. It's in there moong dal, this is urad dal, so I'm gonna mix both of these dals in there. See how thick it is? You have to have thick batter like this, not runny. Okay, we're gonna put rest of the stuff in there. Some ginger and pepper and cilantro. I'm gonna grind all these things as a very nice paste with the dals, and also I'm gonna add this salt. So let's add this. Then I'm gonna grind it again. And this one is right here. The arrows has to meet with each other. It's a different blender. Okay, let's go ahead and grind this one, and then I'll come back. Okay friends, our batter is ready. I grinded everything, I mixed everything. Urad dal, moong dal, everything. Now this is the fun part. You have to keep on mixing like this, so it can have the air incorporate inside of it. You have to incorporate the air inside to make fluffy and light dahi vadas. My blender did most of the work. It's kind of fluffy right now. It's light, but look, in few minutes it's gonna change the color. It's gonna become very white. Did you see the consistency of my batter? Oh, I don't think you can see it. Okay, did you see my batter? See? It's not falling like that's what you want it. You don't want very thin batter. So, okay. My blender is so good, it did half of the work for me. I don't have to do that much because it's already, see, it's very fluffy, and it's already, this air is inside. It's incorporated all the air inside. So, see, there's another way you can test and see if it's a light and fluffy. the air is incorporated already inside, because always air do not drown inside any water or anything. So we are going to try a little bit of batter and put it in the water. If this is don't drown, that means it's ready to fry. See, it's not drown. See, it's on top of the water. It did not drown inside the water. So this is, see, so this is already have a lot of air inside. It's very fluffy. So we can go ahead and fry some. And I'm gonna show you how to steam some without oil. A lot of people ask me to do some snacks without oil. I can do that. But even if it's a fry, dahi vadas, you can, when you put it in the water, warm water, after you fry, all the water, most of the oil comes out. So it becomes very light. Dahi vadas are always light. It's not very oily, because all the oil will wash out from there. So yogurt, we'll make yogurt sauce. I make yogurt sauce like a South Indian kind with the tadka, bagar, tempering. I put the tempering in the yogurt. So let's see how we're gonna do that. Okay, let's keep this one aside. Okay friends, our dal is ready. Batter, and I have a yogurt. Okay, I strained that so it was smooth. There's no lumps in there. And for tadka, this is my way to do this dahi vada, because my mom used to do it like this, so I do it the same way. A lot of people don't put tempering in their tadka, but we do. So for the tadka, I have some pepper, red pepper, few red pepper, and some mustard seeds, whole mustard seeds, and some curry patta, curry leaves. Okay, and for the yogurt, I have some cumin powder and some cilantro to put it on top for the topping, and a little bit of salt. That's it. 3 things in there goes. Okay, let's go put the tempering first. Then we're gonna be start making. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be deep frying some of them traditional way, and some of them I said I'm gonna make it without oil. I will try to put it in the idli mold. If you don't have an idli mold, you can put it in the just the steamer with a little plate or something, and you can do it too. So let's go see how it's gonna come out with that one. And this is also actually when you fry them, it's not gonna be too fat, too oily, because once you fry them, you put it in the hot water, not hot water, warm water. Okay, once you fry them, you put it in the warm water, so it won't be most of the oil comes out of it, okay, in the water, so loses a lot of oil. So it's not, dahi vadas is not actually that oily. Okay, let's go start making it. Let's go put the tempering first, then we'll make vadas. Okay friends, my oil is hot, but my red pepper is getting fried, and now I'm gonna put the mustard seeds. I always cover this so they don't jump on me and everywhere. Okay, some curry leaves, they also jump. Oil splashes everywhere, so be careful. Okay, this is done. We'll put in the yogurt. Here we go. Put the tempering in the yogurt. Okay friends, I made the vadas in the idli mold. So we're gonna steam this in the water, so for 15 minutes. Okay, let's go put in the water. Is boiling over the other side of the stove. So I'm gonna go put this on the stove, this idli mold. For 15 minutes. Okay, Okay, I make the little holes in the middle so it can cook all the way inside, and it's not going to be raw inside, or it's not going to be lumpy inside. So we can make dahi vadas like this, or you can just put it in there like this, drop it a little bit. Okay, we'll turn this one around, and this one too. My mom used to make it like in the middle, there are holes in the middle, so it can cook all the way in, so it's not going to be raw in the middle. So, but they're also good, like a little balls. Okay, these are done. So I'm going to remove these two and put it in the warm water. My warm water is right here. You can see there's a warm water right here. So I put in the warm water as soon as I remove them. So these will cook a little longer because the whole thing, there's no hole in the middle. So I want the dough to cook in the middle too properly. Okay, they're done. I'll turn the stove off and put this in the water. Okay, so warm in the warm water. So see, all the oil is coming out from there. That's why I said they're even. If you fry them, the oil will come out from there. They're very light. It's not very oily. See, all the oil is swimming on top of it in the water. Okay, we will let it soak in there for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go see what is happening with my steamer. Okay friends, now the dahi vadas are ready, and also these are also ready. Oh, it's hot still. I just removed them from the steamer, so I'm gonna put these also in this water. See, they don't have no color. They looks like a white, like a raw dough, but they're cooked, they're steamed. So we'll put that in there. See, we're gonna arrange the dahi vadas now. Or you can just squeeze the water, and you can squeeze the water like this. See? They still come back up. They're still round. You can put it there. Okay. Or you can just put it directly in this bowl like this. See, all the oil is in the tray, so you don't have to actually make it in the idli mold or anywhere, steam them, because all the oil is coming out from there. See, all the oil is coming out from inside. So it's going to be like this, the dahi vadas, and let's keep this one for a little longer. And you can just pour some yogurt on top of it. Like that. Or you can put it in there and let them soak. And take this one too. These are also very soft inside. I can show it to you. And put it in there. Put a little bit of more yogurt on it, top of it. Here you go. So now you can add some green chutney. I have the recipe already posted, the chutneys, okay? You can go ahead and look on I can give the link in the description box, so you can go ahead and find it. And sweet chutney. And a little bit of cilantro. If you like chaat masala, you can put some chaat masala. Let's see how soft are they. See, they're so soft inside. Look, they're very soft. I want to try actually this one. See, this is also very soft. Taste this one. Actually, there's no difference between fried one and not fried one. They both are same. Bismillah. Yep. Both are same, okay? Either way you can do it. And it's not going to be too much oil anyway, even if you fry them, okay? Okay, friends. If you like my video, you know what to do. Please subscribe, okay? See you in next video. Bye.